Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. The market is moving pretty steadily, but it's getting up into a little warning stage where there might be some exuberance starting to come into the market. The Dow gapped up in the overbought area. So we got about a wave one, wave three off of this J-hook pattern that are approximately the same. So the warning was they gapped it up on Friday and did a Doji type day in the overbought area. And another warning has been that all the talking heads on TV have been saying this market's got a lot more upside. That's a little bit dangerous when that starts happening. Also, you can see in the NASDAQ how it gapped up a little bit, did a Doji, but look how far away you are from the T-line. Now, another element that we use when we're analyzing the T-line is also the 3 T-line. Just logic says if they're above the 3 T-line, let alone the T-line, that means the bullish sentiment is still pretty positive. However, when you start moving away from the T-line and you start seeing potential reversal signals, that gives you a little bit more impetus to be ready to take some profits. The strong sectors right now are the airlines, the resorts and entertainment, and the oil stocks are coming back. We're also staying long in biotechs and the electric vehicle stocks. So here's just candlestick logic. If we can see that the whole sector is acting strong, we want to find the strongest signals in that strong sector. You can see Mesa Airlines did a kicker type signal. What's coming out of this fry pan bottom, breaking this downtrend? Where's the next likely target? Probably up here at the 200-day moving average. Same thing in the resorts and casinos. Las Vegas Sands did a kicker type signal. Off the T-line, 50-day moving average, kind of a fry pan bottom breakout. That usually illustrates that wave 3 is now in progress. So this is just mere common sense. If you can see a strong sector like we saw in the casino stocks and the cruise stocks and the entertainment stocks, you want to find the strongest stock or strongest signals in those sectors. The defense stocks, same scenario. They were moving strong on Friday. What we're going to be doing, though, is this month we're concentrating on the most prolific, consistent, and most informative trend indicator, the T-line. On November 13th and 14th, next weekend, we're going to be doing a 2-day full training on how to utilize not only the candlestick signals, but enhanced with T-line analysis. One of the biggest factors that you'll discover about the T-line is that it acts like a natural support and resistance level of human nature. It greatly enhances the ability to see what type of patterns are setting up or confirming using candlestick analysis. And this is just a clear illustration. We took some great profits the other day on BGFV. Once you see it move that far away from the T-line, number one, you flip to your 10-minute chart, and that'll show you when to start taking profits. But two, this chart illustrates when they pulled back, look where they pulled back to. Right smack dab to the T-line. This black line is the 8 exponential moving average. Why is that relevant? Because nobody has the T-line on their charts. It is a natural support and resistance level of human nature. And when you combine that with candlestick signals, which are the graphic depictions of investor sentiment, when you combine those two, you got an extremely powerful trading platform that dramatically improves the probabilities of not only analyzing a good price move, but confirming a good price move. Right now, we're expecting a 45-degree coming out of this fry pan bottom after the breakout. And after hours on Friday was trading up here. Now we're expecting this type of price move. The reason we're expecting this type of price move was the fact that they came right down to the T-line and bounced it and started back up. The T-line also acts like a very good confirmation of pattern setups. We could see the J-hook pattern setting up in Fisker. That told us we're probably heading for wave 3 or more upside. Same scenario for Lucid and QuantumScape, other stocks related to the electric vehicle sector. Ford Motor Company, once you see a buy signal, just a very simple conclusion. As long as it stays above the T-line, you can stay long. That's the truism of the T-line. If you see a candlestick sell signal and a close below the T-line, there's an extremely high probability a downtrend is confirming. If you see a candlestick buy signal and a close above the T-line, you have an extremely high probability an uptrend is confirming. So with that, again, next weekend, November 13th and 14th, come join us. You'll get a lot of insights that will probably change your perspective of how to trade. You don't have to be a sophisticated technical analyst. All you have to do is recognize the signals and see where they're confirming with indicators that dramatically improve the probabilities that you're in the right trade at the right time. So using that information, the further away you move from the T-line, the higher the probability it's going to come back and test it. That would make watching for profit taking pretty soon in the NASDAQ and the Dow. With that, everybody have good trading. We'll see you in the chat rooms.